Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking characters using AI. So first of all, we're going to create an avatar and I'm going to use GenCraft for that. When you can use any other image generator if you want to. For that purpose, we go to our browser, then we type in GenCraft, click enter, go here. First, you will have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and once you're done with that, we're going to make an avatar. Like let's say a woman portrait. Realistic. Click enter and will generate the images. Now after the picture has been generated and you like it, click on this download button and download the photo. Now after the image has been downloaded, you can see that there is a watermark here and now we're going to remove it. And for that purpose, open a new tab and go to any erase. Click enter. Now once you're here, first you'll have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and once you're done with that part, you will have to upload that generated photo here. Like this one here, click on open. Now after the image has been uploaded, increase the brush size and select that area you want removed. Now click on remove objects now. Now after the watermark has been removed, click on download without watermark. Now the next step is to make a voiceover, and for that purpose I use a website called 11 Labs. Now in this website also you will have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and once you're done with that, scroll down and choose your voice actor. You can listen to different voice actors here. I have already chosen Rachel. Now the next step is to just scroll down or to type or paste in your script. Like I'm just gonna type a short script here, like let's say. So here I have written a 2-line script, and the next step is to just simply click on generate. Now after the voiceover has been made, download the voiceover by just clicking on this button. Save this. Now after the voiceover has also been created, the final step is to just create that talking head videos. And for that purpose, go to the IDAI. Click enter and go here. Once you're here, you will have to again create yourself an account using Gmail. And once you're done with that, click on this create video button. Now once we're here, click on this add button and add that avatar that we just generated. Click on open. Now once the avatar has been uploaded, the next step is to just simply upload the voiceover that we just made. Click on this audio button and click on upload your own voice. Now select that voiceover that we just made and click on open. Now after the voiceover has also been uploaded, click on this generate video button and click on generate, and it will generate the video in some time. Now after the video has been generated, you can play this video by just clicking on here.
In this video, we are going to make talking head videos. Hope you guys understand and make talking head videos for yourself.
And after you're satisfied with the talking head video, you can click on this download button to save this talking head video. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create talking head videos using AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.